It's rewarding to grow your own food, but gardening is a lot of work. You have to have time, space, motivation, and at least a little bit of know-how to get a garden going. But here's the thing, you can still grow food right on your countertop with little to no effort. Indoor planting systems like the Aerogarden Bounty Elite from MiracleGro make it super simple to grow your own garden inside, no matter how bad your gardening skills are. This system, which starts at $249, even comes with a special bonus. It hooks up to your home's Wi-Fi network so you can keep track of your plants when you're away. The Bounty Elite is made up of a container for your plants and water and bright LED lights. After you assemble the Bounty Elite, you follow the quick plant instructions on the touchscreen control. You have to select what types of plants you will grow, and the Bounty Elite will tell you how long it will leave the LED lights on for optimal growth. To get started, you add about a gallon of water to the container. Aerogarden gives you 9 plants to start your first garden, and they come in these little pods that are pre-packed with seeds and dirt. The Aerogarden pods give you all the info you need about each plant you're going to grow. On the label, you'll see the name of the plant, how long it takes for it to sprout, and how tall it will grow. You pop the pods into their own slots on the Bounty Elite. Then you place little plastic cups over each pod, which creates a greenhouse effect in which the seeds will start to emerge. Then you add a little liquid plant food to the Bounty Elite, and from there, you let nature, well, more like the gardening system, do its thing. We expect to see some action in the next week. But until then, I'm enjoying not getting my hands dirty.